Just put your arm center where it is. Here.
I'm like, why is it hitting the brake so hard?
I was turning the wheel and
What
then
am I recording this?
Yeah.
Is it recording now?
Right here, right in my hand.
To the right. A little bit more.
Man, that's precision.
All right, stop.
Oh yeah, good stuff. No? Damn, that was just too low. Dude, you fucking got this thing in the weed.
You pulled a whole bush?
Yeah, you're good. Back it up a little bit. All right, hold up, too far. A little bit more. Good.
This ain't a fucking jet ski trailer. That is just freaking savage. Don't. You gotta pull this.
Boom. Done.
You're like, damn, dude, ain't work.
Come on, Ring. Let's see that crank power.
Hey. Good trailer. Very good trailer.
I can't believe that Blazer is a hybrid.
Look at it. It's so quiet. What the fuck?
Come on, put some effort into it.
You could do it, put your back into it. I could do it, put my into it. I like it.
You not moving the rock?
Copping on?
Huh?
Copping on?
The trailer? Let's go. Where's the seatbelt?
Watch that road.
He's gonna hit the brakes real hard. I'm gonna go fly.
Come back. Trailer surfing.
That's how you get your sea legs.
Wait. You know, well, what are we doing here?
What are you doing? No, I'm trying to straighten it out.
What just happened here?
Towing that car.
I forgot. You guys, I don't know. For some reason, oh,
You guys, you're the one manning the ship.
What do you mean, you people?
my man. Were you guys saying that the whole time?
Yeah, we were yelling. Wondering where the hell you were going. I'm like, okay.
We were wondering why you were hitting the brakes so hard.
You were just going to straighten it out. You just push it straight on the trailer. You screwed this all.
Oh, you guys go to the grass?
Go over there, back it in, pull this way.
Oh my God. dude.
You got distracted.
He's like, what am I gonna do tomorrow?
Short club tuning here.
It's like car central here.
All right, easy there, Jackknife.
God, I don't have my seatbelt on.
No.
Neighbors probably wondering what's going on.
Dude,
They got a GoPro on the back of that trailer. Going back and forth.
all right, back her up.
Huh?
Back her up again, put her over here.
Huh? Put the trailer over there, and we'll straighten it up. Done deal. We should get some more cars to put in between.
Make it harder.
Make it harder to move this thing. Easy there, Jeff. Perfect. Keep going. Follow it. Holy cow.
Man, he's on it.
Dude.
To get this guy a CDL.
Oh, Jesus. We got another rig pulling in. Got my CDL. Alright, so
What the fuck's he got in the back of that
first?
thing?
Yeah, leave this here. Push the car out first. Yeah. Alright.
Wait, what's Justin got? Let's see what he's got.
Oh, yeah, we gotta. Hold on. Let's just
There's something in it.
I thought he would be driving something.
I thought he would too.
Come on, right? Did he take it? I mean, he said he brought it.
Better. He said he was going.
Better be like a mini bike or something. What'd you bring?
Yeah.
What did you get? Turbo?
Look at that. What?
What the fuck?
No way.
Holy crap!
Hellcat motor?
What do you mean, hey, where's the hole?
What is this for Sarah's car?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Why does it put this in a Jeep?
Fuck no.
Put this into 1 series.
Going slower.
Holy shit.
Put this into 1 series.
That's kind of cheap.
And they came with tires?
That's a $15,000 motor.
And they came with tires?
Holy
No,
shit.
that was me not expecting it to be on a pallet.
Is there a hole in it somewhere?
It runs.
What the fuck?
You heard it run. He fired it
No,
up.
it doesn't. I didn't hear it.
Still. Dude, that's crazy.
That's awesome.
That is
Put it in
amazing.
Do you remember that white Trackhawk I ran?
That's what it came out of?
This is his buddy.
Dude, I'll tell you
What,
one
they do
thing.
a
This is the
fucking
last thing I
they just pull it?
suspected. I thought we were getting like a golf cart.
I thought you were getting the rear for your Jeep because we
Yeah,
were talking
something-
about it.
A drive shaft. We just blew a drive shaft.
Or like a Honda Civic, something
Or a
like that.
Honda Civic.
Jesus, I'm not even telling you what I'm just getting a Corolla.
This guy pulls up with a fucking motor more than my car.
I'm going home. I'm going inside.
What the fuck?
This is disrespectful. Harris.
She bought it? She bought it? She's a big girl. Damn, that's badass. I was
So,
not.
we going to ADCO tomorrow or what?
Dude, we gotta do this swap.
Get the engine crane.
What trans do you put on?
I'm still up in here.
400. Can we put a 400 on it?
Sure, I gotta look at adapters and torque converters and all that shit.
We did no research and bought a Hellcat motor. I like it. I like where your head's at.
Dude, this is
$5,000.
like,
dude, the blower's $2,500.
I know.
no snouts. He puts, yo, just run this. Got enough ribs.
Yeah, dude, we'll put the belt
That's all
right
you
on
need.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing makes 42 pounds of boost.
I was not expecting this the slightest bit.
Wow. Well, I've never seen a car with one.
I've never seen it on the PAL.
Yeah, I like seeing it in the bed.
You should see the blower, dude.
I see it.
It's like 6 inches into the motor.
Oh, yeah,
too.
big.
It's massive.
And it's got the this heat exchanger, right?
Yeah.
That's nuts.
I was not expecting this at all. Not even.
All right, you said
That's
crazy
nuts.
purchase. I didn't
I-
know it was
dude.
like.
I thought it was going to be some for the Jeep because
Yeah,
the drive
yeah.
shaft just blew, you know?
I thought, yeah, I was expecting. I don't know what
I was thinking maybe it was a golf cart, dirt bike, or a drive shaft transfer case for the Jeep.
I was thinking another car.
Or an
We were looking
E36.
for a motor. The guy we race with, who runs in the 1250 class, was like, "Hey, you still looking for a motor for Sarah's car?" I'm like, "Yeah, I mean, we're just looking for a Cinch one." He sends me this. I'm like, "Yeah, okay, $5,000." I'm trying to join that page. I'm like, "Yo, message him." I was the 6th person in line for it, but I annoyed the guy the most. So he's like, "Yeah, you seem like one of us. Come and get it."
Where was it at?
York.
I mean, I was 7th, but I'm glad you got it.
No, I'm happy for you.
Yeah, I'm like,
Dude, this is crazy. I was not expecting
I literally walked in. I'm like, "All right, no holes in the bluff. Here's your money."
that. Dude, that's crazy.
wow.
The blower's still tight. Usually they get a little. Oh yeah, it's been apart.
Let's see. It's missing
It has a collapsed lifter, and the cylinder has some scoring from running E85, but it's not. There's no holes.
So we're gonna go from 30 over.
I'm gonna drop down off in Delaware and like.
What if you sleeve it or something, huh?
The parts alone.
This is iron block.
Yeah, it's iron block. put it all back together.
We went from a $500 Cutlass to the
The motor is now worth more than the car.
It's cool that you got like most of the shit for it. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. It's just crazy.
Yeah, it's a long block.
Stock pulley back on it and still run.
That's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. Put a stock pulley.
Go 9s in the 950 class.
Yeah.
Light Cutlass and a 400.
Yeah. The stock track box or stock-ish are running 10 like they're breaking into.
Yeah, and they're set 6,000 pounds.
Yeah.
So imagine a car that weighs
These are
3,000 pounds.
stripped out. I mean, full steel frame, but still
Still
stripped.
3,000 pounds also
Yeah.
with the engine. Because your car is 2,400 pounds.
Remember,
Go double frame rail.
remember what we were talking about at the Dunkin' Donuts line? That car that you hold on to when it's going? That's probably going to be that.
What do you mean?
Like off the line, remember you were saying like it's not just a car that you go from A to B.
We
Like
were
these
talking about
cars are going to
KT's
be.
car pulling like 2.7 Gs.
It's like getting hit with a brick in the head.
From both sides.
Yeah, that's awesome. Holy shit.
Oh yeah, head bolts are missing and shit.
Yeah. Well, that's what he posted. He was like, "Oh yeah, the heads are all like."
I mean, the parts
It's
alone.
a part. I'm like, cool. I'll be able to look at the cylinders. I come up, it's on the pallet, strapped down. I'm like,
But still,
okay.
like, you got motors, you got coil packs, you got valve covers, manifold, alternator,
It's a
everything.
Hellcat that we got to rebuild.
And you're not gonna do it ourselves? Why?
we don't need it oiling down. It coming apart. And also,
Dude, we
Trust
sent
me,
we
I
sent
know.
yeah, dude, we sent mine out. Guess what happened? Same
I've
shit.
never touched a track hawk.
No? This motor looks
So
pretty
I'm gonna
simple.
I'm gonna send it to the people who all they do is Hellcat motors and have them look it over.
Yeah, if anything's out of whack, they'll know right away.
Yeah.
Hey, me and Dino will know right away. And look at this.
Right
They
on
know the
startup.
they know the combo.
Dude,
Startup.
you're missing the thermostat.
You know that.
Belt. Pulley.
I just need
Missing.
I would concrete to fill
Hey,
the bottom
crank
as well.
pulley, need one. Maybe a seal.
Yeah, but
I got
this tensioner's making noise too. I'll change that.
You can feel it beside that.
Now, what, is this just for baffling? Bother like that?
And the PCB.
What are you gonna do for a harness? Buy one or?
I'm gonna probably run the
Why don't you?
Terminator.
Oh, they have it for
Terminator
these?
X, yeah.
No, they can't. They're only for LS. Terminator X is LS only.
Alright.
They just updated it for Mopar?
I think they did like 4 months ago.
Oh, they did?
Because back when I started, we started talking about it. Looking around, I found, or looking online, I was looking at. I just want something that's all in one. I don't want a piggyback off of this,
No, I
off
get
of
it.
this, off of this.
Yeah,
Oh, like the M54s?
And then you have to.
Or my Neon, where you bolt the one computer.
What just happened?
My exhaust is wet.
Red?
Oh, this is a Gen 3 Hemi still?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that. Dude, hell yeah, do that.
Oh yeah, Hellcat.
There's no exhaust going through it. That's why.
Dude, that's badass. I didn't know that.
Dude,
What?
look at the muffler.
Dude, honestly.
What is it? Red?
No,
It's blown the fuck out.
Get a video of
Oh
a,
my
a
God.
Hellcat engine and then a blown out 300 mile diesel truck thing. Come on.
That's what happens when you tow a 5,000-pound Jeep through the hills of Virginia. It's going.
Dude, I am
It
surprised.
sounds louder.
I was not expecting this at all.
I was not expecting Sarah to be like,
Yeah?
I'm going to the bank now.
Really, dude? That's badass.
As soon as I sent it to her, she's like, get it. She's like, how much?
She's like making it
And
rain.
there were 6 people waiting. I'm like, we're about to throw him some extra money.
She's making it rain over Johnson. Get that Hellcat.
That's crazy. That's a good deal. I think.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's why even if something's hurt and we can't use it, I could sell it for more than what we paid.
You would never be able to get the equivalent of like an LSA or an LQ9. I mean, LS9. No, it's like an LQ. No, yeah.
It's an LS9.
Built
Built.
better. Dude, because these make what, 707? Yeah, LS9s made 650. Yeah, it's crazy. I wonder if the old school.
Motor mounts I use. You open up. There's the 4 bolt holes. You got to open up one of them. One's like not square, or not in the square, I guess.
Do you need those squirrel packs?
Dude, congrats. Congrats, that's fucking sick.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I'm so down to help. I'm so down. The only thing.
I guess we'll have to go to Cecil next year.
Well, I mean, we still got a lot of work to do to the car.
Dude, this is gonna be fucking.
I'm telling you, this went from like
She's faster than me. I
Yeah,
mean, we're
this-
off the bat. She's
this
faster.
went from a solid 12-second car to
It's a fun 12-second car to be like, all right, now we legit need a cage.
Yeah, she's gonna have to get like an 850 cert.
That's probably what we're gonna go with.
I'd already get a shoot. Don't risk it. If you're trapping 147, you know she's gonna be trapping.
If she can get it on.
Don't matter, she'll still be trapping that.
That's true, yeah.
dude, she's gonna be in that Jeep. You're gonna be driving this.
Yeah, you're gonna be driving this.
That is the end.
That's what's gonna.
She's gonna be scared as
which
shit.
is really
granted.
what. But the Jeep should be. She can make that a bracket car and it's safe. We know what it does
Yeah.
every time.
And it's
And,
all
and you
drive.
won't be
so-
hurting it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where
this
it
thing's
is-
gonna
Well,
be.
and that's the main reason why we decided to build something, was because like the Jeep's not going any
No.
faster.
Keep the Jeep
If
and make
she-
this a
dude,
drag week car.
For her, if she puts 10 grand in something and gets to drive your Jeep,
Yeah.
that's a win for both of you.
It would just tell you what's right.
I had 2 big coil packs.
Did you really?
Yeah.
We
Fire.
figured it out this morning.
Oh.
Remember when we burned it to the ground?
Yeah.
A lot of things didn't survive.
I'm watching the video, like, he's talking about his cars on fire. I'm like, yo, you should have added that. Hit play. There's the video. Like,
That video makes me laugh every time because she's like, oh shit! That's Polo throwing the phone, and I'm sitting there like just staring at the car on the blaze.
And I'm trying to get out of the car.
Yo, that's bad.
You were in the car? He's like, can somebody put that out? You was cranking it. Damn.
He had the biggest smile on his face until that flame hit.
No, I didn't. I was pissed because I was cranking fuel in my cylinders. I was not a happy camper. I was already
That was
pissed.
probably the worst vehicle day we've ever had.
It was the first day bringing it home from quarantine too. Like I was like, all right, I'm gonna bring you something from quarantine. I'm gonna get it done because I got 4 days off a week. First day, Clutch is on fire. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. First day, I brought it home.
Yeah, but now you can be like, from the ashes, look what I built.
That is true. It was definitely the best thing for the car, but still, it's just what the fuck.
I was in there like, magic. He needs paint this thing.
Not gonna text me.
Lambo door non having it.
Don't tell me, I'll put Lambo doors right on that.
Dude, if you put suicide doors in that,
Lambo.
I would never get
I only
up
have
from
a
that.
Lambo
in the front, suicide in the back.
I only have 2 doors.
Really?
No, we're talking about that.
Right there.
Oh, Jesus.
We all
The
pointed
Need
and
for
you
Speed
did not.
hood that opens in the middle.
Dude, and we'll use just cabinet doors.
Yo, just see,
It's just squeaky. It's got like the knob on the top. Two knobs like that. Barn doors.
no lie, there was a guy that put a sunroof on his hood so that he opened it and the motor would shut. I swear to God, I saw it on the internet.
Sounds like a ZR1.
Let me do that on that bubble.
On that bubble.
That bubble's literally there because the intake don't fit under the hood.
I'm gonna put an upside down paint container with the rollers, and then it'll have pins. You can just take it off so you can see inside.
Have you seen it where they put that on the tin?
Oh, it's
one?
a scoop.
It
That's
doesn't
a custom
look bad. Like at first you're like, oh, it's
you remember his scoop? Oh, dude, please send me a picture of that scoop.
Hold on.
Of the Cutlass
snorkel
or whatever it was.
It looked like a purple.
Please send me a
I didn't
picture of
know
that
that.
car.
What? We have to. That looked like a purple Cobra.
I need a picture of that because that hood scoop was so jank. It was. Remember the one you towed home?
No, I know exactly what car
Remember
you're
the
talking
hood?
about. Yeah, I'm trying to think when I don't have shit categorized my phone.
Oh, that was
Fuck
last.
up hood scoop. Nothing showing up.
Same time you bought that Suburban.
Yeah. I bought 'em-
Yeah, what time was that of that day?
Yeah, I almost towed it home with no straps on the
What
truck.
was that? It had to have been 2 years
2 years ago.
Look at your Facebook. Look at your Facebook memories.
Screenshots when I got a bunch of Tahoes saved in my phone, and it's probably right around that.
Dude, that hood scoop, it was like this tall, but the entrance was literally a rectangle. Like
It looked like a frisbee toss game. You gotta get it in the scoop.
But harder. It was even smaller.
That's hilarious.
The frisbee actually didn't fit. No, frisbee would not fit, but it was.
that was,
And it was 8 foot out of the hood, and then this little tiny scoop.
and the Lexian was literally like they poured like acid on it.
Yeah. Man, that was a great car.
Dude, the hood was awesome. All right, let's try to get this car out.
Let's do it. Let's do something.
We're live.
You got your mirrors? You good? Mirrors are good?
Yeah. Well.
Fire in the hole. You're good. Your headlights blew out, but
None of them were bolted in.
I mean, this one got hit pretty good.
it's alright. It's good.
It survived.
Alright, we're good.
It's not gonna pass inspection.
You know what I want out?
Yeah, they're all
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
You're good now.